Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create a blog in Weebly. First, choose a Weebly plan that fits your needs, whether it's a free option or a paid subscription for more features. Next, select a memorable domain name that reflects your blog's topic. Finally, pick a visually appealing theme from Weebly's extensive library to give your blog a professional look and feel. This sets the foundation for your online presence. Once your foundation is set, it's time to personalize your blog's design. Customize the layout, fonts, and color scheme to reflect your brand and style. Don't forget to add essential pages such as an About Us section and a contact page for your readers. Integrating social media sharing buttons will also make it easy for visitors to spread your content. Now for the fun part, creating your content. Write engaging and valuable blog posts that resonate with your target audience. Enhance your articles by adding high-quality images, videos, or other multimedia elements. Remember to optimize your posts for search engines by using relevant keywords, which helps more people discover your amazing content. To grow your blog, actively promote your content across various social media platforms. Share your new posts and interact with your followers to build a community. Remember to check the description below for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Engaging with your audience is key, so respond to comments and foster a community around your content. Keep creating valuable posts, and your blog will naturally attract more readers over time. Consistency and quality are your best tools for long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.